This is a 2011 Mitsubishi Outlander. Safety, space, and comfort. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a low tire pressure indicator, hill start assist, 18-inch alloy wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: the camera package, air conditioning with automatic climate control, full power accessories, a leather-wrapped shift knob, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, a stability control system, a rear window defroster. And this vehicle has fewer than 14,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. Not to mention that this Mitsubishi qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.